Alright guys, on the way to Mount Diablo State Park, I have a new RC that I want to unbox today, so I'm trying something different. I'm going to take it to the state park and unbox it. And I have a couple other RC that I want to run, so I'll take you guys with me, alright? Let's go to the state park and check it out. Alright, so we're here. We gotta pay $10 to get past the gate. Got my $10. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm gonna grab myself a map so I know what's going down. It's pretty warm outside today, so I thought I'd come out and, do something at the state park today. Mount Diablo, I like it. It's a really cool place to come and run your RC. You come out here, you're gonna have lots of fun. Yep.
How you doing?
Not bad. How are you today?
Good, thanks. Just a day pass for you?
Yes, thank
Okay.
you.
Out of 10?
Yep.
That goes on your windshield, driver's side. You gave me a 10, right?
I did.
My memory.
That's alright.
There's the park information there with a map.
Thank you so much.
Busy day today at the park. Campsites are full. We've got lots of cyclists on the road. You're going to encounter cyclists. They will slow you down. So just be patient. Use the turnouts and don't pass on blind corners.
I will.
Okay?
Thank
Drive
you.
safe and enjoy the park.
Okay, thanks.
Let's do this.
Alright, you guys heard it. Park is busy today. Lots of cyclists. So, gonna take it easy. I'm gonna have a good time going up the road. So I'm gonna flip the camera now. I'm gonna do some time lapse and show you what's going on in front. Alright guys, so here is the Air Expo, brand new in the box. I'm going to unbox it right now. I'm going to take it on the trail. You guys ready for this? Alright, let's do this. Not going to waste any time with it. I'm going to pop it out of the box. It's brand new. I've been wanting to do this for a while, but just couldn't get around it. So now the time is right. We can do this. So we're doing this in Mount Diablo today. And let's pull this out of the box. First of all, you see the radio, and this is your controller here from Traxxas. So we're not going to waste any time with this. We'll get done with it. And let's do this. Pull this out. Get that there. Box right there. Gotta pop the clips out. Got two clips holding it down right now. And there goes your body. Can't wait to take it on the trail, guys. Alright, there we go. We got a silver color this time. So we're doing it silver. Perfect. Yeah, beautiful silver. And it's got all this plastic, everything brand new. We're gonna strip this out, not gonna waste any time. Get this out. What else we got going on here? Alright, fresh off the box. And this is it, guys. Got some new batteries here. Got 2 batteries. So we got spare, so we have a good run time. We're gonna get inside at one time, put the battery in. And you know, gonna take him on the trail and see how she perform. Alright. Let's do this, guys. It's not gonna waste any time with it. Pop it in here. So there we go. Alright. Now we on. But first of all, you don't know we gotta put some battery in the controller. And we gotta get some battery in here. All the batteries in here. And it's a really cool day in Mount Diablo today. The sun is not too hot. There's a lot of people out here today. So we had to stick our time coming up the road. Takes us a little while to get here, but you know these guys. Alright, so you turn the controller on first. Then you turn on the XL5. Got power? Nice, we got power. So I'm gonna set this to crawl mode. And we're gonna hold on the XL5 until we reach a number 5 count. We take it off and then we hold it down. The green light gonna start blinking red. So this is 1 blink, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is crawl mode. So we crawl in today. So we want the drag brakes to be real sharp. Now we got no more time to waste. Let's remove this sticker right here. Get this off. I'm gonna turn this off just to remove that easily. And we off to the trail, guys. I'm excited to run this new Defender silver color. Let's pop it in one time. So I've been holding this down for this special day, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I wanted to take it out here in Mount Diablo so I can show you guys the first run. And this is the first run, guys. I'm excited. We gotta pop some more clips out here, so let's go down this plastic. Get this flag out here with these clips. Did I get the right one? Yeah. There it is. We don't need the rest of the tools right now, so just need 2 clips from in here. There we go. There's a lot of people out here, guys. So we're gonna have a wonderful time on the trail. Okay, so that's it. Alright, so we're ready to roll. Let's roll, guys. So we're in crawl mode, guys. We're crawling nicely. Slow it down a little bit. Going a little bit fast. It's a lot of movement here. Take it easy. A little bit more. Boxing is working fine, guys. Working beautiful. This is a crazy view. This is it, guys. We're doing some deep trailing today. Thank you. Look at that view, guys. Look at the view. Isn't that crazy? See the depth down there? Wow. So this is what we want to do today. Brand new Defender 4 from Traxxas. Right off the box onto the trail in Monte Diablo. This is so cool. You know what? I saw something here that I want to do. Try this. See how she works. Forward drive. The gravel is loose, there's no way to go here. It's a loose gravel all the way up here. And there is no way it's going to clean up. Take off all gears. But I'm going to do some time lapse here.